Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to clear cache on your Messenger application. So okay guys, this is removes temporary apps files to save space on your phone. This won't delete your photos and videos, and they might load slower the next time you open them. So okay, let's start. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your Messenger LITE application. So okay guys, I use Messenger LITE application in this tutorial. So okay, in your Messenger LITE application, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, and preference, click the manage storage. Okay guys, we are here in manage storage to clear the cache. Okay, so okay, you only have to do is click the clear cache. Okay, we have a pop-up, and all you have to do is click the remove. So okay guys, remove 2 MB of temporary app files from your phone. This won't delete your photos and videos, and they might load slower the next time you open them. So okay, click the remove. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.